kokalo kanyo e studio wa mantiere Nairobi machiegni nyinga Jailieta. Joute gavanas ma pacho ka okwa mondo ochak chenro makonyo e ting'o ngima jogo mantiere counties magi wuoke. E nyasi mabende no baginegi e kar jot mar jatend piny Nairobi, negi twa kod jaod jatend piny William Ruto mabende no kwayo gi sir gavanas e chwalo tijegi. Recho bende no jiwo gidonje chenro mar pidho yiende kanyakla kod chenro no mar chwalo chiemo ne jogo ma onge godo ahinya e gwenge ma oro ogoe tach pacho ka.
Conversations we had, and issue is currently with the AG. How do we encourage the women economic?
We can work together.
We are in this office by virtue of marriage. It was not a choice to be the county first spouse, but we want to walk through. We want to have to support, complement what our spouses are doing. And I take the 5 C's because we have convening powers at the county levels, just as you have convening powers at the national level. We want to convene, we want to connect, we want to collaborate, we want to catalyze, and we want to celebrate.
I want to say that God has given all of us a great opportunity to be able to support. And I must say that devolution is a great thing that happened in our nation. You can imagine if we did not have devolution, that would not have all of us seated here today. And even the work that God has enabled you to do, maybe you'll not be able to do because that governorship, that governor would not be there. But now you're there as a spouse, and God has given you the opportunity to be there.
I think spouses can play a very big role, and they can give voice, and they can amplify the discussion around matters that are affecting our society. Many of our children are hurting out of drug abuse and the whole of that moral space. I'm really requesting you as spouses of the most powerful people in our counties to bring your voice to bear so that we can address ourselves to what is happening to our children.
Moko kuom josiasa ma Kenya Kwanza oseyo ogai mar